Do you fully comprehend the intricacies of your insurance policy? If not, you're not alone. Many people find themselves caught in a web of confusion, often leading to unfortunate circumstances. Let's delve into some real-life stories that highlight the importance of understanding your insurance policy. Consider the tale of John, a small business owner. He purchased a business insurance policy, believing it covered all potential damages. However, when a fire broke out in his establishment, he was shocked to find that his policy didn't cover fire damage. His misunderstanding of the policy led to a significant financial loss. Then there's the story of Sarah, a homeowner who bought a home insurance policy to protect her investment. When a severe storm caused damage to her roof, she was confident her insurance would cover the repairs. However, the policy only covered structural damage caused by specific natural disasters, and storms were not on that list. This misunderstanding cost her a hefty sum for the repair work. And who can forget the tale of Mike, an adventurous globetrotter who bought travel insurance for his international escapades. When he fell ill during a trip, he assumed his medical expenses would be covered. But alas, his policy only covered accidents and not illnesses. The resulting medical bills hit his savings hard. These stories serve as a stark reminder that insurance is not an immediate benefit. It's not like buying a $10 meal that you can instantly enjoy. Insurance is there to compensate for unexpected disasters in the future. It's a contract filled with conditions and requirements that you must fully understand to truly benefit from. The policy manual is your guide here. It's crucial to read and comprehend it to utilize your policy correctly. If it seems too complex, don't hesitate to seek assistance from an insurance consultant. Unfortunately, there have been numerous instances of disappointment and anger from policyholders who suffered losses due to their claims being rejected or deducted. Often, this is because they didn't know how to use their insurance properly. To add to the dilemma, many insurance marketers are not fully competent. Often they are just starting out or doing this job on the side. The lack of focus and experience can lead to sales mistakes, further compounding policyholders' problems. So, what are the key takeaways here? First, understanding your insurance policy is paramount. Don't just pay the premium, understand what you're paying for. Second, take the time to study your policy manual. If needed, seek help from an insurance consultant. And finally, be mindful of who you are buying your insurance from. Make sure your insurance marketer is experienced and focused on their job. Remember, insurance is a safety net for the unexpected, but it's only effective if you know how to use it. Don't let a misunderstanding of your policy lead to unnecessary losses. Be informed, be prepared, and secure your future wisely.